Question number 3 says, who is the father of all nations now?
It's everywhere, everybody know. If you browse it now, it's everywhere. If you just subscribe now, go and browse. Father of all nations now. I do like this.
So what was the answer?
The answer is David.
Dissolve! Dissolve. Hey!
Welcome to our very first episode on Be a Millionaire with Mr. Bob. On the hot seat with me, we have Bra Semil. So, Bra Semil, please tell us what you do. Let us meet you.
Yeah, sure. See you. My name is Bra Semil. She don't introduce me already. So, I'm into comedy. We do things. We paint. We do plenty things. Let me just keep it. Don't worry. If you want to know more about me, don't worry. I'll give my number. You call me. If you anything you want to do, we do them. We dey run am.
Oh, that's good. So, you have 15 questions to answer correctly. And when you give me a wrong answer, you go back to your house.
Dissolve!
Sorry. You go back to your house. Please, I beg you. I want to ask one question. Please, I thought that if you lose, you go back to your guarantee level now.
Who they guarantee you? Success get guarantee. Abi you think say me I dey happy? Una go just come, win all our money, our salary go.
Hey, oh yeah, sorry.
Papa, come down now. Because they change am from the power for me. Am I your problem? You see me for your dream? But I come here to play game. Oh. If you know you don't have the money, let me know. How was that?
All right. No problem. No problem. No issue. Let's play. So you have 3 live lines. Number 1, 3070. Number 2, ask in the comment section. Number 3, ask Mr. Bob.
Funny. I will ask you. Never. Like you that already changed it from your phone. Now I ask you a question. I can't say rubbish. Thank you. Leave it. Don't worry. Thank you.
So let's play. Let's just play. It's fine. Question number 1. What is used to tell time? Fan, television, weather, or clock?
Fan, bow. It can't be fan. Fan just blew me. No. Television. Okay. Weather. You go and check whether the time is.
You are a bad boy.
This is that weather.
Bad boy. You are a bad boy.
This one that I learned for here now. Sun will shine somewhere else. You not thinking, Baba. It can't be weather. 7 o'clock. 7:30 o'clock. Okay, it's clock.
So is clock your final answer?
It's clocky. Say you know it's clocky before. It's clock.
So your answer is correct. You are right.
I know it's clock. You have to confuse me. You don't put weather.
Question number 2 says, how many days are in a week? 7 days, 6 days, 5 days, or 4 days?
Sorry, please. Is it including weekend?
Why not use your lifelines?
I should use lifeline. I should not waste it for this simple question.
Or better still, just failed it and go back to your house.
I beg, let me use my lifeline. Let me use ask Mr. Bob. Let me ask Mr. Bob then.
Okay, you want to ask Mr. Bob? Oh, okay. Basically, actually, this is what I think. The question says how many days? 4 days. 4 days, and that's my final answer. 4 days.
Even in our secondary school, we used to sing one song. They say 7 days make a week, something make one something. You now tell me that it's 4 days. Kiss that name. 4 days.
Is 7 days your final answer?
Yes, it's my final answer. 7 days.
The answer is 7 days. You are correct.
You say 4 days.
Yes, on my hand here, we have 7 days in a week, which is Monday, Tuesday.
Leave it. Thank you. Let's continue, please. Thank you.
So, question number 3 says, who is the father of all nations now?
Sorry, wait. Father of all nations now.
Abraham, Moses, David, or Jacob?
It's everywhere. Everybody know. If you browse it, I forgot. I don't have data. But if you browse it now, it's everywhere. If you just subscribe now. Go and browse. Father of all nations now. I do like this.
So what was the answer?
The answer is David.
Dissolve! Jesus.
Is David your final answer?
Jesus.
Everybody know that's the final answer now. Except you. But everybody knows the final answer.
Final answer, David.
Wait, sorry. Just to be so sure, because you don't confuse me now. You want to do like this. Let me use another lifeline. Let me use ask in the comment section.
So viewers, please comment what you think is the answer for Brother Semiu. And remember to tell him how sure you are.
Please, tell me how sure you are. Since you yourself is not sure.
Now time starts now.